Hi, and welcome to this Electron Discovery video. In this video, our tester Rosa will demonstrate the latest version of the Excel import that now allows you to import variants, service items, and assembly items.
We added a new column to the Excel import template. So if we start by just looking at the template, we need to create a name for it. Just name it test. And it is somewhere here. Gonna open it. So in the retail item sheet in the Excel document, we added this new column called item type. And the values that can be inserted here are the so-called lookup values, and they must be of this either retail, that's a normal item, or service, as for service item, and header and the assembly. So, and the default, if nothing is inserted in this column, no value, then the item becomes a normal item. It's the same as we had if we had inserted retail in a lookup value in the column. So I'm gonna show you how we import variant items and header items and all these different kind of items. But just to save time, I created another Excel import document that I have already populated. I'm gonna open that and show you how it looks like before I run the import. So I have here inserted the information for the header item. So as you can see, the item type is header and must have dimensions and attributes. So I defined color and size for the dimensions. And the variants are here beneath the header. And they have the item IDs, and variant header ID are the same as the item ID for the header. And so on. It's just similar that it has always or used to be this template, but the new thing is this column here. So I've added these lines for service item, assembly item, and normal item. And just to show you, if we put nothing here, we get this as a normal item because that's the default. Okay, so I need to close this before I import this Excel in the site manager. So I can either choose, as you know, this one, or go into the items view and select here the document I'm gonna import, and its variants. Gonna merge it, and they were all successfully inserted. And here they are. This is the header item and all the variants. The service item, and this is an assembly item we imported. And this is the normal item, which had the retail value in the item type column. And the item that didn't have anything in the item type column was imported as a normal item. So then we can, I can show you if we open this here that the attributes and the dimensions have been successfully imported. And we can open the POS and just start selling. Here is the shirt I imported with the different attributes and the other items. The service item, and the assembly item, and the last one, the normal item.